I'm in a Tesla Model X P100D. Next to me is a Lamborghini-Aventador S, and we're going to have a drag race. So I've got a 100 kilowatt hour battery, 2 electric motors and 772 horsepower. Now, to tell you about that car, may as well have a word with its owner. It's Yanni from Yanni Mize. So Yanni, tell us a bit about your motor.
So it's an Aventador S. It's what, 740 brake horsepower I think it is. I'm not even sure. It's fast.
And it's going to give you a good run, I hope.
We know my Urus got beat, but this is going to be a different sort of race.
Yes, Yanni was a bit gutted that I beat his Urus with the Model X in our SUV drag race from last week.
Wow, the Tesla is gone! Bye-bye, Yanni!
So he wanted a rematch, but this time with his other Lamborghini, hence this rather odd matchup. A 7-seat electric SUV against a thoroughbred supercar. Which car do you think is going to win over the standing quarter mile? Click on the pop-out banner in the top right-hand corner of the screen to cast your vote. This Tesla or that Lambo. Now make sure you check out Yanni's channel. There's a link below the video so you can go through and watch him race that against his Urus. Also make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to turn your notifications on. Let's get this on!
Where is he? Where is he? I can't see him. Is he coming? Did he stay where he is? No way did you stay where you are.
No way, man.
Come on. Dirty.
Dirty. You are dirty, mate.
All I'm waiting is for you to do it so many times that you launch your clutch.
Not happy, mate. Not happy at all.
3, 2.
Oh, no, he's got me. Damn it. He's definitely got me. It's not by much, though.
What happened, mate? What happened?
I think I lost. I lost from the very beginning. You're so smug, aren't you? So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Lamborghini Aventador S did the standing quarter mile in 10.5 seconds, whereas the Tesla Model X took 11.3 seconds. Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. He's going to be locked in third gear. I'm obviously got no gears, so it's just going to be a case of flooring it and seeing what happens.
I'm sitting on 4,000 revs. He's going to kill me.
Right in, Yanni. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! I've got the lead! I got the lead! Come on, Tesla!
Yeah, third gear. Here it goes now. Come on.
Now he's coming at 100 miles an hour.
Got him. Double bubble. 2 wins.
I mean, I got off first, but then what happened?
Mate, I'm not being funny. It seems so slow because I'm sitting around 4,000, but the minute it hit 5, then it really draws.
Yeah, I saw that. It just suddenly picked up and just went past. However, I mean, your car is quite a bit lighter than mine, isn't it?
Mine's what, about 1.5 and what's it, about 690 Newton meters. So yeah, it is lighter and faster.
I'm like 2.5 tons, and yeah, I've got 980 Newton meters, but really that weight, it does make a difference. But that initial pickup from the electric motors, I dropped you at first.
Listen, the electric is instant. It's always instant power, and you can't get that from this, but I'm pleased. Double win.
I don't know whether that's a win. I think that's
One for me, actually. I'll tell you what, to decide.
Let's do it. You can go in second gear from 30 miles an hour. Let's see what happens. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Goodbye. Yes, Tesla. Where are you, Yanni?
Got him. Got him both times. We done 50 mile an hour, yeah, and 30. What do you mean what happened? You accelerated, the electric power kicked in, I hit my revs, and then bye-bye.
I definitely beat you there though, right? I was ahead of you till about 110 miles an hour on the road, right? You can't go faster than that. So
Let's call it a draw.
No.
I don't like losing, and you're already...
well, that's a draw. That is one each. One to the Tesla and one to the Aventador. Aventador won in the drag race. This Tesla won in the rolling race. He's saying something completely different in his car, but it doesn't matter because I'm in control of the final edit.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it and share it. Also click on our logo to subscribe to this channel. And if you click on the bottom right hand corner, you can actually watch more of our content. Meanwhile, click over to the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save on a new car at CarWow.